Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Beverly here. In today's tutorial, I created this super natural wearable look using the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. And make sure if you want to enter our giveaway for the month of June that you turn your post notifications on, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and then comment done to be entered into our giveaway. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my NARS concealer and I used that as a primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge and then went in with some translucent powder to set that in place. And that's just really going to help us blend our eyeshadows. So this is the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette, and I really wanted to create a natural look with this palette because, as you guys can see, the colors are super vibrant and dramatic. But I wanted to show you guys that you could still achieve a pretty natural wearable look with this palette as well. So first I grabbed the shade Campy and I mixed it with Kylie, and it gave me this really beautiful orangey shade when I mixed the two together. And I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions. And then I went into the shade Trade and I grabbed a small defined brush and I put that shade above my actual crease, going in back and forth motion. And using an angled brush is really going to help with control and keeping the eyeshadow low and not taking it up too far. And then I went back into Campy and Kylie and a fluffy brush, and I really diffused that line, going in back and forth motions with a fluffier blending brush. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. Next I took that same NARS concealer with a flat brush and I just cleaned up all over the lid, and this is just going to help us not bring the eyeshadow up too far, and it's going to help the eyeshadow to appear a lot more vibrant because we're putting it over a base. Next I went into the shade Beat, and I was really impressed with this eyeshadow. It's so pigmented and it almost gives off a glittery effect, like a really fine glitter. But it was super pigmented and easy to work with, and I just packed that all over the lid. And then I went back into the shade Trade and I just took a little bit of a fluffy shader brush and I just put that all over my outer lid, lightly tapping it inward. And you could also go back in with that Beat shade, the light shimmery shade, and you can blend it out even more if you want to. But yeah, and then I did my eyeliner off camera and I used my Sofie Laguna lashes. These lashes are only $10 and they're super natural. They flare out at the end, so I highly recommend these if you're just starting out with lashes. And then I took my Pop Beauty Celestial Light highlighter and I just popped that on the inner corner of my eye just to kind of open it up a little bit. And then lastly, I just went in with some L'Oreal mascara to my lower lashes. So yeah, this look is super natural, super wearable, and this is the finished look. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to enter our giveaway for the month of June, make sure you turn your post notifications on, like this video, and subscribe to our channel and comment done to be automatically entered. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.